Are you Spanish?
Are you Spanish?
Si senyora. So taga diri ra gid mo. So hello guys mga kachismis, welcome again sa ating panibagong vlog Chismosong Bisaya right here. So nata karon diri sa Malabuyok kay mang prank ta sa mga student diri guys kay ting mamuhi naman karon. So mangita tag ma-prank na to ubani ko ninyo malinga mo ani. So let's go. Disculpar señora, yo habla español. ¿Me entiende por favor? Disculpar.
Oh no!
Speak English? Can I talk with you?
No.
Why? Lo siento por favor, yo habla español. What is your name? I know how to speak English. You know how to speak English? You speak English. Where are you from? You live here? Malabuyok.
This is Malabuyok.
Where are you from?
Here.
Here?
Yeah.
You're studying?
Yes, I'm still studying.
No habla español, señora.
No.
Lo siento por favor.
I don't understand.
But it's my first time here. Yeah, you live here?
Yes, I do.
You do. What grade are you? Are you studying?
Yes, I'm a senior high school. Uy, bayot tabay ko. Oh, bayot tabay ko.
Señora, disculpar. Lo siento por favor. Yo habla español.
Oh no!
No habla español. But you entiende por favor Spanish? No. But you heard that one? In Spain, que quiero volver. La tarde sale, cielo está gris. Could you please come closer?
Are you Spanish?
Are you Spanish?
Sí.
Of course!
Sí, señora. So, you understand
No.
Spanish, but you heard Spanish before?
Yes, we do.
You do. Both of you are beautiful. Okay.
Nope.
You're from Malabuyok.
And you, where are you from?
Me? I'm from Spain. I have my relative here, so I just visit for vacation.
Oh my god.
Yeah. What about the two of you? Your classmates or not?
We're classmates.
Your classmate. What grade are you?
We're in 12th grade.
12. Lo siento, señora. Me, I don't understand. Could you speak slowly?
Speak slowly, right? We're in grade 12.
Grade 12?
Yeah.
Si gracias. You're graduating. Okay. What is your name again?
Raika.
Laika.
Raika.
Laika? What about you?
Nico.
Okay, tagal kitang hinanap. Okay, tagal ko ring nangarap na makapiling ka, aking mahal.
When I talk to them, they walk away. I don't know what's the reason. Why?
They're just shy. Yeah.
Shy.
Yeah.
So, do I look like a horror?
No.
No. I don't know why they are shy.
They just try to talk to strangers.
Stranger. It's
Yeah.
good that both of you can speak English, but no intindi Spanish. No habla español.
No intention.
Ni ahoga que quiero volver. You don't understand. Okay. Gracias, señora. So, thank you. Thank you. So, taga diri ra gid mo? Okay. Okay.
No.
Dali. Dali.
Let's go!
Taga.
Wala ko English, kahuratan da!
Taga diri na matanan. Sa kawan na Chismosong Bisaya.
Follow and share Chismosong Bisaya 1592.